Hi guys, it's Asya, obviously. Just wanted to say hi on video for the first time and show you around my studio. So here we are. I have 3 workbenches, and these 2 I got on Craigslist. I love the fact that they are old. I love the fact that they are used and things have been made on them, and that I can continue doing that and they can fulfill their purpose. And then the third bench is a beautiful cherry tree table that my friend made for me. So here on the main bench, I have my bench pin where I saw my metal, and my soldering station with acetylene torch for soldering metal together. Have some project there pending. And I have my pickle pot, which is an acid that cleans fire scale off metal after soldering, and it desperately needs changing. A lot of my tools are vintage. They're inherited from grandparents and family members. For example, these cool drawers used to be slide drawers until I appropriated them for my own purposes. I have cool things like this little guy. I think it's pretty cool to have tools and materials that have been owned by somebody who is no longer with us, but like their legacy lives on. I still have these old ring mandrels for sizing and forming rings. I have really old hammers, as you can see, and I love them all. And my ultrasonic is actually so old that my electrical engineer brother-in-law had to rewire the whole thing. So this is, oh, I just bumped into a lamp. This is my hammering, dapping, punching, that sounds very violent, hammering, and so on station. Oh yes, drilling, baby's first drill press. Hot plate is for kombu, which is a Korean gold fusion technique. So there's a little bit of everything for every kind of technique in the book, like wax carving. I have some of the books that I have either purchased or inherited. On the third bench that is made by my friend Jamie, I have shears that are used for cutting metal. I have a rotary tumbler, which is used for hardening metal and cleaning jewelry. And another amazing Craigslist find. It is used, for example, for thinning of metal, for using your scraps to make wire and new sheet metal, or making texture onto your metal. There are a lot of applications for this amazing tool. So this was a very, very happy find. I have another tumbler there, which is magnetic, and the difference is that this is mostly for polishing. It has smaller steel shot inside of it, so it gets into smaller crevices, and in about 10 to 15 minutes you'll get a really, really shiny piece out of there. So this is all for Aseo Jewelry Studio Tour. Thank you so much for joining me. I still do have another place where my casting equipment is, but it's a little more fireproof. So if you have any questions, message me. Otherwise, I will catch up with you guys later. My favorite tool.